What's the meaning of corruptible? Corruptible. Corruptible.
Corruptible. Corruptible. The term corruptible refers to something that is subject to being morally or legally compromised or influenced. It implies that the thing in question can be swayed from its original state of integrity or honesty, and that it is susceptible to being tainted by external factors. When someone or something is corruptible, there is a risk of them falling prey to temptation, persuasion, or manipulation, and consequently losing their credibility or trustworthiness. This can have serious consequences for individuals, organizations, or society as a whole, and may result in loss of reputation, legal penalties, or public mistrust.